Welcome back to Auto Master Cars, your ultimate destination for everything on wheels. If you love classic trucks with a modern twist, you're in for a treat. Today, we're diving into the all-new 2025 GMC Vintage Pickup, a stunning blend of retro charm and cutting-edge technology. This truck is a tribute to GMC's legendary pickups of the past, but with a heart and soul built for the future. Let's check out what makes this beauty a must-have for truck enthusiasts. GMC has always been a name synonymous with rugged durability and refined craftsmanship. With the 2025 Vintage Pickup, they've taken inspiration from their iconic designs of the 50s and 60s, giving us a truck that looks straight out of history but performs like a modern powerhouse. The design is a perfect fusion of nostalgia and innovation. From the bold chrome grille to the classic round headlights and sculpted fenders, this truck screams vintage in the best way possible. The body is available in classic colors like deep red, forest green, and midnight black, with optional two-tone finishes for that extra retro flair. Step inside, and the magic continues. The cabin combines classic aesthetics with the latest technology. The dashboard features wood and chrome accents, paying homage to vintage GMC trucks, but don't let the old-school looks fool you. This truck is packed with modern conveniences. A massive touchscreen infotainment system supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, while a premium sound system makes every ride an experience. The leather-wrapped steering wheel, retro-style gauges, and quilted leather seats add a touch of luxury to the rugged appeal. Under the hood, the 2025 GMC Vintage Pickup is all about power and efficiency. It offers multiple engine options, starting with a 3.6-liter V6 for those who love smooth performance and fuel economy. But for real truck lovers, there's a powerful 5.3-liter V8, delivering the raw strength that GMC is known for. And here's the game changer, GMC is also offering an all-electric version. That's right, a fully electric vintage truck that combines classic looks with zero-emission performance. With instant torque and an impressive driving range, this EV version ensures that tradition meets the future in the best way possible. Driving this truck is an experience like no other. The handling is smooth, thanks to a modern suspension system that absorbs bumps while maintaining that authentic truck feel. Whether you're cruising through city streets or hitting the open highway, the 2025 Vintage Pickup offers comfort, capability, and charisma in equal measure. Advanced safety features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera make every drive secure and stress-free. When it comes to practicality, GMC has left no stone unturned. The truck bed is spacious and durable, ready to handle everything from heavy cargo to weekend adventure gear. A multifunction tailgate with different configurations makes loading and unloading easier than ever. Plus, integrated bed lighting and multiple power outlets ensure that this truck is as functional as it is stylish. For collectors and enthusiasts, this truck is more than just a vehicle, it's a statement. It's a tribute to GMC's glorious past, wrapped in the technology of tomorrow. Whether you choose the gasoline-powered beast or the futuristic electric variant, you're getting a truck that turns heads and delivers performance like never before. So, what do you think of the 2025 GMC Vintage Pickup? Is this the perfect blend of classic and modern? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Auto Master Cars, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update on the hottest cars and trucks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.